with sensor tracks. Over the last couple weeks in my videos, we talked a lot about offline stuff, so whiteboards and best practices for production meetings and KPIs and how you track action items that come out of meetings. And today I want to do something totally different. I want to talk about software. Specifically, I want to talk about IoT platforms and industrial IoT platforms. And when I talk about industrial IoT, I mean platforms where you build things to monitor stuff in a factory or other industrial environment. So monitoring processes, manufacturing machines, motors, lights, whatever it is. The reason why I want to talk about this is because I think this market's a little bit weird. Most of the buying decisions, in my opinion, for industrial IoT and industrial software that's going to go out on the factory floor are made by operations and the manufacturing group, right? So think COO, VP of manufacturing, VP of operations, those kinds of folks. And in my opinion, they don't want to buy platforms. So why is everyone touting platforms? The reason why I don't think they want to buy platforms is because they want something that works now. They don't want to have to invest a lot of time, money, and energy into paying developers, consultants, even working with IT and having their developers build something on top of one of these platforms. I do think there's an exception if you're going to build something that's core to your business, that's going to drive a lot of revenue, maybe you're going to do that. But if it's really just to understand what's going on inside of the business, improve it, monitor it, whatever, why wouldn't you buy that out of the box? So that's really my question today is, what does everybody think? Do you think IoT platforms are the future in this space, or are they applications that are maybe heavily customizable? They're still platforms, but you start out with something that's very powerful and provides a lot of value, and then you can customize it for your specific needs. Think Salesforce or tools like that. So let me know in the comments, and I'd love to talk about it too. This could be a pretty hot debate. I don't know. Happy to jump on a Zoom. Have a good day.